Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Ipsos Hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and food category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.2, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category height. Let's talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is fine. Yes, but in the surroundings, the categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you're planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed